Here is Sable's litter of puppies. They are 17, 18 days old today. Eyes are open, and they are starting to truck around a little bit. This is the pink collar girl. Little Frankenstein walk. This is the yellow collared girl. Hey, babe. Very hard to see. Sable. Hey. This is the dark blue collar girl. Hey, babe. How you doing? Sleepyhead. Then there's the two little ones. This is the light blue collar on the little one. Hey, Pipsqueak. Look at you. Yeah, look. And then this is the red collar. Small girl. At this point, I'm believing there are 2 teacup puppies in this litter and 3 toy-sized puppies. Because the 2 that are small are half the size of everybody else. But puppies are doing very well. They're getting active. They're such a nice, deep, dark chocolate. Hello, Pipsqueak. Hi. Hey, Angel. How you doing?